As we age, our eyesight often becomes one of the first things to decline. What if I told you that poor eyesight after 50 is not an age issue? It's a lifestyle consequence, and just like you can reverse poor fitness, you can also reverse poor vision. In this video, we will discuss how you can protect and possibly restore your vision naturally. 1. Understand why eyesight declines after 50. Most people blame just getting older, but in reality, poor eyesight usually comes from oxidative stress damages eye cells, nutrient deficiencies, especially vitamins A, C, E, lutein, and zinc, chronic conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, digital eye strain from phones and computers, weakening eye muscles due to lack of exercise. When you know the cause, reversing the damage becomes possible. 2. Feed your eyes with superfoods. Your eyes are living tissue. They need the right fuel. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens, are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin that protect your retina. Carrots and sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A, which is ideal for sharper night vision. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, tuna, are loaded with omega-3s that prevent dry eyes and macular degeneration. Berries and citrus fruits have antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. Nuts and seeds are rich in vitamin E, good for long-term eye health. 3. Eye exercises to sharpen focus. Just like your body, your eyes have muscles that need exercise. Try these daily. 20-20-20 rule. After every 20 minutes, take a break and look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Palming. Rub your hands together, then gently cup them over your closed eyes for relaxation. Eye rotations. Slowly roll your eyes clockwise, then counterclockwise. This improves flexibility. Blinking drill. Consciously close your eyes fully, squeeze gently for 2 seconds, and then release. Do this 10 times every hour. It keeps your eyes lubricated and resets your focus. Near to far focus. Hold your thumb close, focus on it, then shift your focus to something far away. Only 5 minutes a day can improve focus and reduce strain dramatically. 4. Get more natural light, but protect against harmful rays. Our modern lifestyle has trapped us indoors, weakening natural eye function. Spend at least 20 minutes daily outdoors. Avoid staring directly at the sun, but allow your eyes to adjust naturally to daylight. Wear UV protective sunglasses to prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. 5. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes, blurry vision, and eye strain often come from dehydration. Drink at least 6-8 glasses of water daily. 6. Good sleep. Eye strains are also due to lack of sleep. Sleep 7-8 hours to allow your eyes to repair themselves overnight. 7. Manage chronic conditions. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, and especially type 2 diabetes are major threats to vision. Keeping these conditions under control is necessary for lasting eye health. 8. Avoid these eye-damaging habits. If you're serious about reversing poor eyesight, you must stop smoking. It reduces blood flow to your eyes. Excess screen time without breaks. Processed foods loaded with sugar and refined carbs, they accelerate eye aging. 9. Don't ignore eye checkups. After 50, eye diseases like glaucoma, macular degeneration, and cataracts can sneak in quietly. An annual eye exam can literally save your vision by catching problems early. Final thoughts. You don't have to accept blurry vision as a normal part of aging. By nourishing your eyes with the right foods, practicing simple exercises, protecting them from strain, and living a healthier lifestyle, you can restore sharpness and protect your sight for decades to come. Remember, your eyes are your windows to the world. Take care of them.